we're here with Carl Stover from DMS, and he's going to talk about his new product, the Levelizer. Carl, good morning. What are you doing?
Good to meet you. This product is a spring-loaded table. The interesting thing about a spring-loaded table is as you use it, as you add product to it, it goes down. Take product off, it comes up. This product has been developed specifically so that it be safe and effective. One of the things that we do, Peter, is we've added cam followers on the inside of this, and we've also added Teflon bushings top and bottom, so that when we say you have a 1,000-pound lifting capacity, it's not in the center of the table, but at the farthest point, it won't tighten up. It'll go down, even when you're doing it. Most guys who have a spring-loaded table would say, you must load this and unload it evenly. Ours, we don't care whether you load it on one side or the other. It's going to go up and down smoothly.
Now, what is the weight currently as it stands right now with the pressure here?
This right here is setting with 100 pounds. So I weigh 220 pounds, and I'm going to bring it all the way down. Now, the interesting thing, if you were pushing this through the shop and you lost the load, it's not a slingshot. We've added a gas shock to keep it from flying up, so it is in fact safe.
So now the handle your 250-pound weight.
Yeah.
What would you do here too?
Well,
I was kidding about his weight.
250. I caught the 250. Okay. So let's say we want to add some weight. Okay. These happen to have, I know, 50-pound springs. So now with our QEST, quick exchange spring technology, we can just simply add a pin. And as we add these pins, the product now, or in this case will be myself for demonstration, this is actually 100, 200 pounds. I won't go down quite as far. So now it makes me a nice seat. If I don't want it to go down at all, I might have to add 250 to keep me up here. I'm not sure. We'll see. Simply pushing a button in. And by the way, you can add these buttons in both directions. So if someone was pushing from the other direction, and it's short enough so it does not interfere with the other direction.
Okay, so is there a max weight on this?
This one right here, 800 pounds. But we make this cart up to 1,500 pounds, this particular style. And of course, we've got larger products that you can see at our website, dms-site.com. Those products, or even on your website, the One Stop Material Handling, or mth.com. This product can go up to 4,000 pounds. We've got it in 40 shops, as much as 4,000 pounds.
So they're all different sizes?
Exactly. Sizes, different configurations. This happens to be the cantilever design.
Now, what type of a company is using this?
In this case, this is being used in automobile manufacturing for distribution of parts of the line. So they go to their warehouse, which some people call a supermarket. They pull off stuff, they bring it to the line side and put it into shooter racks. In some cases, they actually put product in tubs and totes. This is what this particular design is for. I've got a tub that fits exactly on here, and they stack them and they push them right up line side and use them as they need to. The other thing is, believe it or not, we've actually sold these to libraries so that when people return books, they go down, and when the librarian's bringing them to put them away, it lifts them up so they're not always bending down inside a cart.
So really this is something that helps people with back issues.
Exactly.
And having liability of back issues.
We use the term forced ergonomics. Forced ergonomics is simply this. With scissor lifts or any other type of lifting mechanism, they all have you have to push a button or have some sort of photo eye. In this case, as you begin to take off something, it automatically comes up. We call that forced ergonomics because it needs to happen. Otherwise, the associate is just not going to spend the time to hit buttons. This makes it happen.
So I guess the question everybody would be asking is, what does something like this cost?
They range anywhere from around $1,000 up to $3,800, depending on size. This particular unit's around $1,000 right
now. You also have a range of other products that you showed me this morning, where you have that that swivel where you put a pallet on.
Yeah, we call that Levelizer stretch, Peter. It's a stretch wrap machine, which is allowing someone to, and we just introduced it. It allows the associate to put a full-size pallet, spin the pallet, and stretch wrap at the same time. So they're not extending themselves on reach any more than a proper ergonomic 15 to 18 inches, and they're not bending their backs. In addition to that, you don't have to go to another operation to shrink wrap, or do you have to have an associate run around the stretch wrap?
100%. Exactly. Yeah, I saw that product this morning for the first time. This product is very, very exciting. And so we'll have that video probably in the next week or two on our site. So DMS has got some exciting products, very innovative, fun products for many different types of applications and warehouses. So it was good seeing you. Thanks so much for your time again.